Good evening, students. Let us continue our chapter, The Mountain That Ate People. We have already started, two parts already we have covered, is it? And after this we come to know that how that people are getting confused about these puzzles and all. Only that old mother can solve all the puzzles and riddles very nicely, is it? And one puzzle is actually solved by that old mother. We come to know. Now let us continue that what is there after that, what more difficulties they are getting, especially the Lord. After some time, the great overlord sent a messenger to the feudal lord with another problem. See, the problem has started. One puzzle they have already solved. Now another puzzle has already arrived, and that messenger has sent that one, which was much more difficult than the first one. Clear? How is it possible to pull a silken thread through a narrow pipe with 7 bends? See, now this kind of puzzles or riddles cannot be solved. It is not like that. Can be solved, but this is much more hurdle. Why? They want to prove that these puzzles can be solved by everyone if you think properly. Okay, so age doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter to anyone. Okay, so as the feudal lord is always thinking that my place or village should be old people free. Old people cannot think properly. Old people cannot judge anything properly. They don't have any idea. So this thing will change the mentality. Okay, the thing will change the mentality. So the puzzle is what? That who can just count the silken thread, is it? Silken thread through a narrow pipe with 7 bends. This is the puzzle. If you cannot reply correctly, said the messenger, my overlord will ransack your entire state. Ransack means what? Go through a place and stealing things properly. Okay, means completely stealing. Ransack you will get in your book also. Okay, the meaning you will get in your book also. But then also you have to learn this one. This meaning. Ransack means stealing things properly. Okay. Stealing things. Now, if they cannot solve the puzzle, what they will do? The Lord will just steal all the things of the people and send them outside, the entire state. The feudal lord, trembling and fearful, again sent a proclamation. Again, you see, first he also sent that whoever will solve that difficult puzzle, he will just reward them, is it? Second, again the same thing he has sent and said that hearing it, again the farmer hurried home to tell his mother, hidden away in his little room. So again that farmer has listened that one, that again another puzzle has arrived. So he again ran to his old mother. It's very simple, my son. Mother said, it's very simple. Let our master get a narrow pipe made with 7 bends. So the pipe should be made and there should be 7 bends. Okay. Place it on the ground and pull a plenty of sugar at one end, and then tie a silken thread round a large ant and release it at the opposite end. Surely the ant will pull the silken thread through the pipe, not only through 7 bends, but through 70. She added and laughing. Can you understand the puzzle? What? It's very simple. Only just the normal thing. Old mother has enough experience in from her life. So she is just utilizing all these things in this way. She just said simply make a pipe which will be with the 7 bends and fill it with sugar and free an ant there, and it will automatically go with the 7 bends. Not only the 7, even 70. This is very easy for old mother. But see, the feudal lord who just think that old people cannot think properly, they don't have any use at all, so let them die. He was thinking like that. That old people only thinking and just solving the puzzles. Okay. Thank you, mother. Thank you, cried the happy farmer. He ran as fast as he could. to tell the delighted feudal lord, who rewarded him with bags of gold and precious gifts. Again he got some gifts from the lord as he solved the puzzle. Time passed, and yet once more the wicked overlord sent his messenger to harass the feudal lord with the hardest problem at all. So two riddles already they have solved. Okay. Then again that lord sent another one to harass them. Harass means to make someone's life unpleasant, not good at all. They are leading their life properly, they cannot. So the lord sent another puzzle to that lord. The great Lord wishes you to make him a drum that will play by itself. Announced the messenger. Now see, another puzzle is what? He said that you have to make a drum which will just play by itself. No one will be there to play it. Now, how it can be possible that a non-living thing can play by itself? It cannot be possible for. But here the puzzle is that only, that they have to make a drum and which will play by itself. Okay. The feudal lord was petrified. See, petrified means here, afraiding you have listened, fearing you have listened. This is like that only. Extremely frightened, extremely afraiding something. So as third puzzle has arrived, he is just terrified, extremely terrified, and saying that what? Who is there that can tell us how to make such a wondrous drum and save our lives and land? He wailed. The farmer turned again to his mother for advice. See, the Lord who cannot save its subject properly by his own is just believing that old people cannot do any work. You just see the situation. Okay, here one message the writer is actually giving us, that don't go with the age. Okay, don't go with the age. Age doesn't matter. Okay, experience matter. Clear? So here the same thing. So again that farmer ran to his mother. My son, this problem is easier than the others. For that old mother, this one is the easiest one. See, just might. Make an ordinary drum and put some bumblebees inside. So just put inside bumblebees making noise. Okay. Covering the sides with paper, take it to the overload and it will play merrily without being touched. See the simple trick. Oh mother, how wise you are, cried the excited farmer and ran to the feudal lord to tell him. Now see, one question can be arise. Does the farmer is doing the proper work by solving the answers from his mother and just telling to the feudal lord? Okay, this question arises, but if you see it's old farmer only, poor farmer only. So if he just solved the problem by his own, though it is hidden that mother is there still at home, okay, but he is getting some rewards that will lead his life. Okay, that is why he is just telling this one. But at last he will just inform that no, all the puzzles or riddles solved by the old mother. Can you think of any alternative solution to any of the question asked? Now see, your work at home will be that 3 puzzles overlord has asked, that puzzle how you can solve by yourself. This is homework, you will write your copy. The 3 puzzles, this is solved by the old mother. She said that how to solve. Now if you have your own idea, you can do. Okay, so your homework will be that only, right? That solve 3 puzzles by your own. Okay, solve 3 puzzles by your own way. How you can solve. Okay, that you do. This one mother has done, is it? So by your own you will do. The Lord was overwhelmed with joy and taking off priceless strings of pearls and rubies from his neck, gave them to the farmer. He was so pleased that he gave all his ornaments to that farmer. But suddenly he stared hard at the young man. It is wonderful that you are able to solve such difficult problems, he said. Surely you cannot be so wise to think of the answers all by yourself. Tell me honestly, who has helped you? Now Lord is actually having some doubts that how he can solve all those puzzles. How it can be possible for him. So he just asked, say, who is helping you? Clear? Because he is just a farmer. You know the feudal lord very well, how he is thinking and how he can, is it? So according to him, he cannot do. The farmer quaked with fear. Suddenly he just getting afraid. But he bowed before the feudal lord and spoke courageously and with conviction. He said all the truth. He said all the truth about his mother. What he said? Let's see. Mighty Lord, I have disobeyed you and have kept my old mother hidden away at home. He said, it is really she who has given you the correct answers to these problems and has saved our lives and stayed from the overlord. Please forgive me. You can see in your book how he is just forgiving. He said everything properly, that I have disobeyed you as I didn't send my mother to that mountain. I kept her at my home, and she is only that person who solved all the questions, gave us the proper solutions. Forgive me, please, Lord. Was the feudal lord angry? No. After that, what you are expecting? That he'll be angry and all because he didn't just, showing that he didn't just obey that lord. But no, he didn't angry. He realized the value of the great wisdom of old people. Now he realized the wisdom of old people and his folly in sending them away to the mountain to die. And he understood that how foolish he was that he is sending the old people to that mountain to die. Okay, so he realized that. At once he withdrew the cruel decree first he has prepared, is it? Now he just said withdrew that decree. So from that day, no old people were ever taken to that mountain, that 8 people, and they lived happily with their children and grandchildren happily there. Moreover, the powerful overlord, being extremely impressed by the wisdom of the feudal lord and his subjects, gave up fighting and all lived together in peace and harmony. So at last what happened? That overlord also become impressed by that feudal lord and his subjects and just withdraw that fighting and all are living with peacefully and harmony. Peacefully and harmonically. Clear? So this is all the story, and it has end like that. So you can understand. If you have grandparents, that means you are so blessed. Don't just irritate them. Okay, take ideas from them. It will help you. Okay, they are ready to help you because they are not actually modernized like you, but they have some experiences in their life by which easily they can solve the easiest for them but hardest for us things. Clear? So just go with them. If you have grandparents, that means you are blessed. So this text is giving us message like that old people don't think they are out of knowledge, they are not modernized, so they cannot do any work. They can do much better than us. Why? Because they have experience. Which experience? Experience from the life. Clear? As I said, general knowledge is not so general. It's very difficult to understand. So here also the same thing. So today we have finished that text. 3 parts we need to complete this text. Just go through with the text and the difficult meanings, whatever is there, you just go through. If you have any doubt about the text, hopefully you will not get. But if you get, I am here to discuss again all the doubts and just go through the difficult meanings. Okay, as I said, when I wrote on the board, that means this one you have to do. It's not like that. All are there. Just go through meanings, though it is written on the book, but go through with the dictionaries. That will help you properly. And the questions we will discuss. But before that, as I said, one another video I'll make to solve your problems according to the chapters related with the questions which you cannot solve. Though it is little bit difficult, but one video properly I'll make for the doubts. Now this chapter, as I have finished, hopefully you will also finish at home. Fully just go through the text with the meaning properly. In our next class, we'll just discuss about the question answer ones. That you will write in your copy definitely with the others, and just go through this much today. Thank you, class.